It still amazes me what a kinky straight V-part can do. This was my first time doing the crochet method for this texture and it did not disappoint. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and this video will be how to install a V-part wig but not have it look like the invisible part method in the front. I say that to say that with this technique, I honestly do feel like this is such a cute way to wear your kinky straight V-part wig without having to have any hair left out at the traditional top leave out area. I'm currently going through a little bit of heat damage in the front, so I didn't want to have to put heat or to even have my hair left out. So what are we going to do? The crochet method to install. This was honestly my first time actually trying it with a kinky straight texture. I have done it with kinky curly and curly textures in the past, and I'm happy I got a chance to try it this time. This is a look at some of that damage I was telling y'all about. Yeah, I definitely have a trim, a cut, a chop, whatever needs to be done for my hair to get back healthy. That's coming soon. I'm thinking about adding some light layers so I don't have to do a dramatic cut, but we'll see about that coming soon. As I was thinking about how I wanted to install, I did end up leaving a little bit of hair out in the front just to give it an illusion that could this be my hair that's left out, and to make it look a little more seamless, being that we are going to be crocheting it in. Personally, I think it helped to make it look more seamless, and it just added a natural effect to the look. These two middle braids will be what I'll be using to crochet the V-part wig hair through, but then I'm going to also go on the sides and do 4 little plaits. That's what the wig is going to actually anchor onto. Because this is a crochet method, make sure you have some crochet needles and go ahead and install that wig onto your plaits, and then the 2 braids in the middle will be what we're going to be using to crochet through the hair with the crochet needle. I believe I'm a pretty transparent person. Anytime I'm trying something new, or if I've done something a gazillion times, I'm going to try to give tips and give you my insight on what I feel like I could have done better, what worked for me, and so on and so forth. Y'all, this is a clip to show y'all. If this is your first time doing it, everyone makes mistakes sometimes. Everyone has moments of, did I do this right? Like, I was literally second guessing, do I really know how to crochet in some hair? Like, look at this clip right here. Make sure you're taking your time and actually placing the hair in the crochet needle correctly, because if you pull it through too wild, it's going to be a frizzy bush just like that. But just like a lot of things in life, just try again. It's okay to start fresh. All I did was pull that hair back through and recrochet it through, and everything worked out just fine. Once I crocheted the hair through, I like to use that clip just to have the hair adjust to where I need it to be. Then I went in with my hot comb to hot comb that down. This is a first glance of how that little leave out I left blends so pretty with the wig. It helps it to not look so crocheted, if you know what I mean. And it just helps to give the illusion like this could be my natural hair. I repeated the same process with the crochet on the other side. For some reason, this side was so much easier to crochet through. I don't know, it just slid through like butter. I don't know if it's because I'm right-handed and I was working on my right side. I don't know. I don't know why, but it was so much easier to crochet in on this side. I just went ahead and repeated that process through to the back. It took me about 5-ish minutes to crochet both sides in. I did take my time because I wanted to make sure I crocheted right. This is a look of how it should be looking before I flip the hair over to the correct side. And y'all, once I did that, make sure you're being careful. I took this hot comb and I done hot combed my scalp, y'all. It was so hot with that dramatic pause. Like, did I really just burn myself? This is what we're looking like from the top view. I did want to go in and show y'all. I personally am fine with it because we're going to be adding some wand curls to this hair. So please stay tuned to the rest of the video as I finish styling this. Shout out to Unice, y'all. The beautiful density, the beautiful kinky straightness of this wig is very versatile. And I really love how it held the wand curls. So let's just say it turned out the way I wanted it to. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out if you're interested. And while you're down there, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to come take off with me. I would love to have you a part of my fam along on this journey. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.